Um, the thalamus is the center which controls not only involuntary reflexes for hearing and vision, but it also sorts out many of the sensory pathways so that only the important information is passed on to the cerebral cortex so that we can focus our attention. Thus, the thalamus serves as the secretary of the cerebrum, performing many reflexes so that only the most important messages pass on to the cerebrum. The thalamus also contributes to the limbic system and our sensation of pain.
The hypothalamus is one of the most important parts of the brain. It contains centers for emotions and drives, such as the major pleasure center. It contains the areas which control whether we're hungry and thirsty. It secretes many hormones which will determine metabolic rate and affect fat deposition and affect our overall metabolism. It is the control center of the autonomic nervous system and thus the stress response. It controls body temperature. It controls blood pressure and controls fluid volume. It is one of the major hormone-releasing regions of the body and controls the secretions of the pituitary gland. And so while it is only the size of a thumbnail, the hypothalamus is arguably one of the most important parts of the brain.
The pineal gland is another gland inside the brain, you know. It secretes melatonin, the hormone of darkness, because it is released only at night, thus contributing to biological rhythms, and also helping your immune system so that if you don't get adequate sleep, or if you're working night shifts, then very often you're more likely to be sick. And also contributing to jet lag if you travel to a part of the world where you suddenly find it being daylight when you expect it to be dark. So the pineal gland makes hormones inside the brain, and this is very important for our immune system and our normal health.